Hello everyone, Dom here, and today I will be showcasing my GD50 submission for the Legend of Zelda assignment. What you were supposed to do for this assignment, you were supposed to implement hearts that can be dropped by enemies that, when upon picked up, will recover a full heart for the player. You were also supposed to allow the player to pick up pots that spawn naturally within the level or the room. And with these said pots, you're supposed to allow the player to throw them, which can be used to damage enemies or, in this case, kill them. So I'm going to go ahead and show off my finished product right here. Alright, so, as you can see over here, we do have a pot, but I'm not going to demonstrate that just yet. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the hearts. That's what I wanted to do. Sorry, the game was just blaring so loudly into my headphones because I hadn't turned up. But, there's one. As you can see, it is random chance. I believe that it's like I think it's a 10% chance for hearts to be dropped from enemies. So it's not very common, but it's common enough. And as you can see, we have a full heart right there, or we have full health. And if I go into this room, it's it'll still show like 5 health, I guess, left, because it caps at 6, and that's what you were. So yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, the pots, you can't walk through them, which was something we were supposed to allow or prevent the player from doing whenever in this. But yeah, I can just demonstrate a little bit better the hearts. And then, if I press enter, this will happen. We got a pot. We're carrying it around. This is our potent weapon. So if you throw it at enemies, it will kill them in this instance. All the enemies here only have 1 health. But if we go through here and then we throw this pot, like I don't know, where, like this way, I guess, it'll eventually shatter them if it travels too far. But I'm just gonna kill a few more enemies. Actually, no, I don't even need to kill enemies. I just need to go to the next room. So also here's the pots like not being allowed to travel past the dungeon walls. I don't know if but yeah, every single wall you can't throw pots through it. Like, yeah. Oh god, I hope I don't die. I don't know if I just showed this wall already, but I kind of need some health. Oh, there we go, I got some health. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Next up, we got Angry Birds, and I'm not looking forward to it because it involves Box 2D, and I've heard of Box 2D, and I'm genuinely not looking forward to having to deal with it.